To sort Bill.com API SDK. Start by understanding the basics of the Bill.com API and its SDK. The Bill.com API is a set of tools that allows developers to access and manage Bill.com data programmatically. The SDK, or Software Development Kit, provides a pre-built set of libraries and code examples to help developers get started with the API. First, ensure you have the Bill.com API SDK installed and configured in your development environment. This typically involves downloading and installing the SDK, then setting up your API credentials and authentication. Next, familiarize yourself with the key concepts and data models used in the Bill.com API. This includes understanding the different types of objects, such as bills, invoices, and payments, and how they relate to each other. To sort data using the Bill.com API SDK, you will typically use a combination of filtering and sorting parameters in your API requests. For example, you can use the filter parameter to narrow down the data to a specific set of objects, such as all bills due within the next 30 days. Then, you can use the sort parameter to order the results by a specific field, such as due date or amount. Practical examples of sorting using the Bill.com API SDK include sorting bills by due date, sorting invoices by customer name, or sorting payments by date. To do this, you would construct an API request that includes the relevant filtering and sorting parameters. Then execute the request and parse the response. Best practices for sorting using the Bill.com API SDK include using efficient filtering and sorting parameters to minimize the amount of data being transferred and processed. It is also important to handle errors and exceptions properly, and to test your code thoroughly to ensure it is working as expected. In terms of code examples, the Bill.com API SDK provides a range of libraries and code snippets to help you get started with sorting and filtering data. For example, you can use the SDK's built-in filtering and sorting methods to construct API requests and parse responses. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively sort Bill.com API SDK data and build powerful and efficient applications that integrate with the Bill.com platform. Remember to always refer to the official Bill.com API documentation and SDK guides for the most up-to-date information and examples.